Ruff doing? Whale pee. It's whale pee pee?
I call it whale pee because it looks like icky.
Right?
You have to wash it off. It's really easy to get off.
It's a beautiful day here, huh? Hi, Finny. Hello, hello, hello. Nice day here, huh? I am. Ho, ho! Rough day here. Ocean City. Today is August 26th, 2020. This is Bridgie. How old are you?
10 things.
10 and really soon to be 11. What? 3/4 and 3/4 and 3/4. Gee whiz! There's sand everywhere. I tell you what though, nice day. Rough, water's rough, but it's good. It's nice and warm water. Yeah. It's been cold this summer. Upswelling they call it. This is Bridgie though, there she is. Juliet, she's over here. Jules! Jules! Come here. What? How old are you now?
7 and a half.
7 and a half?
And I'm gonna turn 8 soon.
Pretty soon, November 5th, right?
Look, see all this white stuff?
Right.
It turned into whale pee.
That's whale pee-pee? I can't believe that's whale pee-pee. I didn't know that.
It's actually whale pee.
Maybe it is.
We're calling it that. We're calling it that.
Right. What grade are you going into?
Buddy, I'm gonna run it.
What grade are you going into?
Second, but I'm gonna run it.
Go! There she goes, there she goes, there she goes. Look at her, look at her, look at her. Oh God, oh God, oh God. It's very rough. It's very rough. Oh, she took it. Hey, can you go do a split? Go do a split, ready? Let's see your gymnastics. Whoa. Here she goes, ladies and gentlemen. The one and only Juliet Jones. Can you do it? There she goes. Look at that. Wanted to take a quick video. 2023. Didn't take many videos this year of the beach stuff. Been down here a bunch. Here goes a big wave. Look out, ladies. Whoa! Boom! Here comes a little one. Whoa, man! Big one. Weakling. All right, ladies. Finley, Bridgie. Say bye-bye. Don't go out too far. Don't go out too far. Be aware of your surroundings, Bridget. Don't go out too far.